Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study modern history for UPSC. First, thoroughly understand the syllabus to identify crucial topics. Start your preparation with insert textbooks, specifically those from classes 6 to 12. These provide a strong foundational understanding of India's modern past. Pay close attention to significant events, influential personalities, and their lasting impact on the nation. This initial step is vital for building a comprehensive knowledge base before moving to advanced resources. After insert, dive into A Brief History of Modern India by Spectrum Publications. This book is a cornerstone for UPSC aspirants. When reading, focus on understanding the underlying concepts and causes, rather than just memorizing dates and names. Develop a habit of making concise, point-wise notes. These notes will be invaluable for quick revisions, helping you consolidate information and recall it efficiently during your exams. To truly master modern history, analyze previous year's question papers. This helps you understand the exam pattern and identify frequently asked topics. Dedicate time to practicing answer writing for both the preliminary and main examinations. Focus on structuring your answers well and presenting clear arguments. Additionally, try to connect historical events with current affairs. This interdisciplinary approach enhances your understanding and analytical skills, making your answers more comprehensive. Consistent revision is paramount for retaining the vast amount of information in modern history. Schedule regular review sessions to reinforce your memory and ensure long-term retention. Also, keep yourself updated with current affairs, especially those that have historical relevance, as this often helps in understanding the contemporary significance of past events. And hey, if you're looking to gain a new perspective on personal finance, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. It could truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.